I didn't recorded it actually. So we should have recorded actually. So thank you, Sunita ji, for wonderful experience sharing, but we are not done this one. So I just want you to, in this recording to say about our 12th June, this program experience, maybe in a 1 or 2 liners again, because what happened, I forgot to record it now. So let's do it once more. Unmute yourself and just speak that 2 lines last you speak up exactly.
Thank you, sir, for bringing us this program. I have attended all the other programs also, but this was a total experience, a different experience, because in this we really physically activated our body, got tired, really tired, and when we went in Shavasana, it was very relaxing. It was a different experience, and the connect that happened after that, during that relaxation, during that meditation, it was out of the world experience. I have done lot of meditations myself. I also conducted, but this was a different experience. Thank you for, sir. It was
Thank
as if
you
we
very
were
much.
transported to the other world and we could really connect with each and every cell of our body. Thank you.
Wow, awesome. And that was the purpose exactly. And that's what we call this one as the detoxification of body, mind, and soul, and how to connect. And every cell had its own consciousness. So we are using that consciousness to really transform our life. So
In fact, when I conduct also, I also say all that you said, but today actually I could connect with, and I could hear my body replying back. That was my
wow,
first experience. Thank you.
it's out of body experience, amazing experience. Thank you, Sunita ji. So anybody else want to share today's experience of 12 June liver, kidney, and lungs program? Please share it. I can see some of you are typed into the chat box. Neeraj ji is
I
telling
want
it is
to
a great
share.
experience. Yes, Santosh, I'll just put you on the spotlight.
Yes.
So
Yes.
where is Santosh? Yes, please, Santosh. So introduce yourself just for a few seconds and
Yeah. Yes, sir. So myself, Santosh, working in Bosch as a product owner. So I'm a dream of making organic farming also. Okay, and this is fortunate to attend this program. Yesterday I went to my hometown, but fortunate, the God's sake, I have returned yesterday night. I came to know the program is there. And morning also I was not so good, but after attending this program, the step by step for process you introduce, it is very much very helpful, and it is very easy to follow and able to digest the things. And I am feeling very good, and so the health wise I am feeling the difference, and mentally, physically, emotionally I'm feeling balanced. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Santosh. Thank you very much. So thank you, guys. So this is what is exactly, what you can call as exactly. We have the group. So like Neeraj is telling, it is a great experience. Thanks for sharing the learning. Santosh is already share is what Sunita ji is telling. Nobody want to come out of this one, correct? Like that's what Shashi is telling. I don't want to come out of this, was lost in between. It's a beautiful and wonderful experience. So thank you, guys. So thank you all of you. If you want to part of this experience, please just be tuned to our YouTube channel. I never asked, but I'm telling you to subscribe and recommend to the people, because this is what is our mission is exactly how to detox your body, mind, and soul, because that will make us to thrive this life. It is a process of be and make, how to transform ourselves to the transformation of others. And this contribution you can give if you buy London and in this YouTube channel or somewhere, please stay back. And this is what we're going to sharing you a lot of different pearls. So thank you, everybody. So thank you very much. And be a part of this.